Greetings. Problem solving skills separate successful professionals from those who struggle. And problem solving skills are the backbone of any professional's success. Companies seeking to grow, expand, and stay relevant need professionals who have the ability to identify, analyze, and solve problems. The importance of problem solving skills in the professional world is on the rise, and it is crucial for professionals to enhance these skills to meet the demands of the competitive job market. Problem solving skills are valuable in every profession as they help individuals identify setbacks, evaluate alternatives, and make informed decisions. At the core of any business success story is an individual or a team that has tackled and overcome significant challenges. Professionals with advanced problem solving skills handle setbacks more efficiently, minimizing risks and increasing opportunities for success. And employees also highly value problem solvers because they contribute to the growth, development, and mainly the profitability of a company. Problem solving skills can also enhance an individual's career, enabling them to take more significant roles, earn higher salaries, and also increase job satisfaction. So here is one story. In a bustling city, once upon a time, there was a young professional. He was called Sam, and he found himself facing a challenge, big challenge. Sam was skilled and ambitious, but had problems. He was facing problems that were testing his limits. And this is a story how Sam, transformed a troublesome situation into one of triumph, growth, and inspiration. So Sam was working as a project manager. This was for a company, and the company was specializing in smart technology solutions. And Sam also believed the challenges and obstacles are just opportunities to learn and develop one's abilities. But the problem was the project he was working on was experiencing multiple setbacks and delays, and what happened finally, it was also threatening the team's morale and success. So he was determined. Sam was determined. He was not ready to give up. So he decided to empower himself with problem solving skills. So he also had a 1 to 10 step approach for problem solving, and he followed it, and this became a very useful tool for him in handling problems. So what is the first step? Let us see. Define the problem. So identify the problem is the main thing. Here also Sam identified what were the key issues. There were probably delivery of components, and miscommunication was happening in different departments, and many other factors. So he was able to highlight what is the problem. So he found out there were issues of components were not arriving on time, and there was not enough communication happening. So he identified all the key areas. So based on this, he gathered information. So he collected data on each department progress and also was assessing the project's overall status. And then see the problem you have identified, but there will always be some root causes. So they have to be identified. Sam identified the root causes. So he had all the information, data, logic, reasoning he did, and he identified the main contributors to the problems. Develop possible solutions. So he then created based on that what are the solutions. So he made a list A, B, C, D, E, whatever, and he solutions which were likely to address the issues. So out of that, he selected the best one. So he evaluated each option and opted for the most effective and feasible. Then based on that, he created an action plan. So then he had to have an action plan to how to go about it, how to implement it. So had a very detailed plan, and he outlined everything, selected solutions, and then based on that, he created tasks, and these were assigned to the members of his team. Implement the solution, yes. Then he started implementing the plan and also had to make adjustments wherever it was necessary. They were adaptable. They were not rigid. They were flexible for changes along the way. Then he was also monitoring. So he closely was monitoring the project's progress, that everything was happening smoothly. There was no unnecessary roadblocks, and everyone was doing their job effectively. Based on that, results came out. He started evaluating. He reviewed the outcomes of his efforts and also analyzed, okay, fine, these are the improvements which have been done. And having learned from the experience, he documented that. That became the input for future projects and challenges. He documented the lessons learned throughout the process and helped him problem solving skills. And he was ready to face future challenges. So Sam's efforts paid off. The team got energized and they completed the projects on time, and it was a great success. Effective problem solving skills are essential for professionals to turn obstacles into opportunities. So I would also like to share with you some tips, some 20 tips and strategies. First thing is remain calm, don't get tensed, keep an open mind, be flexible, be analytical and methodical. You should be relying on data, logic, and reasoning. Break down problems into smaller parts. So break them into smaller parts which can be handled more effectively. Think creatively and laterally. Creative thinking helps us in solving the problems. Seek input from others. Yes, we have to seek input. If you're not able to work out on your own, ask, and you will get the help. Adopt a collaborative mindset. So we have to be collaborative. It's a teamwork, and everyone has to contribute. Be adaptable and flexible. Don't be rigid. As things happen, be adaptable and flexible for changes. Goals have to be realistic. You have to be smart and also be realistic. As they say, goals have to be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. But thing is, it has to be realistic also. Keep your eyes on the big picture. So never lose focus on what you have to achieve. Reflect on past experiences. Sometimes our own past experiences help us guide us. Probably in the past there was a similar problem. Then how did you handle it? What went right and what went wrong? That's also helps us for future experiences. Stay organized, stay disciplined. That's a good way to look at the problems. Communicate effectively. Good communication skills are very, very important for problem solving. Sometimes lack of communication also creates a own set of problems, isn't it? Not communicating properly, not listening properly, not being assertive, so many things. So use effective communication tools, embrace new perspective. Somebody is coming up with a new perspective, accept it, learn from it, and develop contingency plans. Things will not happen, as you have planned sometimes. Certain factors will be under your control, certain factors beyond your control. So you have to plan for that, anticipate that, be proactive, prioritize tasks. So you've got many tasks which will be there: urgent, important, not urgent, urgent and important. So you're able to prioritize. So which task has to be taken first. Take calculated risks. Risks have to be taken, and but it should be calculated. You should analyze, do risk analysis, okay, and take calculated risk and create an environment for innovation. Winners don't do as they say. We have to do things in a different way, isn't it? Look for innovation, look for ideas around you, ask for support when needed, and always have a growth mindset. So Sam's journey of overcoming adversity, effective problem solving skills, and motivational inspiration, it also serves as an empowering lesson for many people in different walks of life. So this 1 to 10 step approach for problem solving, and then with determination and a positive attitude, can transform even the most difficult situations into opportunities for growth and success. Thank you.